event. Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started. We have Piece of My Wish. Break quick, let us start. Moving up, Gran Affair, and on the outside comes Arreglado. Rebel Guards locked to win, then followed over by entry number 5, and this one is Lady Lauren, while Seamaster is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Piece of My Wish, the early leader by about 4 lengths. Gran Affair is right behind in second. Locked to win is down in third, then followed over by Lady Lauren. Arreglado. River Gulch comes next, while Seamaster is still racing in 7. Down the backstretch they travel. We have Piece of My Wish by over length and a half. Gran Affair now coming closer in second. Moving up now is Arreglado. River Gulch comes next, then followed over by Lock to Win Master, while Lady Lauren now racing in 7th, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Gran Affair now saying it's my turn to take the lead as they swing for home. Gran Affair by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is River Gulch. Piece of My Wish is down in third with about 100 meters up the race. We have Gran Affair. River Gulch is on the outside. Gran Affair. River Gulch is on the outside. Gran Affair. River Gulch. River Gulch. Gran Affair. And finally it's River Gulch. Gran Affair. Arreglado close with Seamaster.